In the era of the fourth industrial revolution, the industry is changing rapidly worldwide. In case of manufacturing, Smart Factory is built by applying information and communication technology, ICT, including artificial intelligence, AI, unmanned robots, and the Internet of Things, IoT, to the planning of product, process of production, and process of sales. What will be changing by building a smart factory? That is, the demand for constant facility efficiency improvement can be quickly handled. It is available to increase the manufacturing efficiency and improve quality via analysis of the data produced in the manufacturing process, and can reflect the demands of the clients rapidly. Today, as improving the production efficiency of the facilities is becoming a key challenge, BRIQUE EES is the perfect solution for your smart factory. BRIQUE EES, an improvement system of production facility efficiency for small and medium-sized companies, is a solution that focuses on learning and analyzing data generated during the process, predicting and diagnosing the comprehensive condition of facilities, and quickly detecting abnormalities, as well as clearly analyzing a variety of causes by accurately predicting the quality of produced products. The four-step introduction process for the use of BRIQUE EES services is as follows. Step 1. It is the pre-investigation step, implementing the pre-investigation for the client's environments, including collecting data environments and client's requirements. Step 2. It is the introductory step, preparing data and systems through preliminary research and client data analysis, and generating service models good for clients. Step 3. It is the service application step, setting up the system and proceeding with the user training. Step 4. It is the monitoring step of results. Following up measures will continue through real-time monitoring results of the service and feedback from clients. BRIQUE EES with a number of clients in the semiconductor, FPD, electronics industry. Observing some cases of BRIQUE EES introduction, we detect a rise of temperature abnormality that may occur in the semiconductor diffusion process in real time to prevent production accidents, reduce rework, and reduce data analysis time in a variety of production processes, including SMT reaction drying to rapidly identify the causes of defects and effectively prevent further defects. This is due to automatic implementation according to BRIQUE EES system, and able to check the results that the analyzing tasks used to conduct manually relying on the existing Excel files and individual tools. In addition, it analyzes the cause of the decline in the quality of the particular product produced during the process of the semiconductor test and prevents the identical problem from occurring via rapid follow-up measures. And in case of products with a high defect rate, the production process is tracked and analyzed to ensure product reliability. One-stop operation of facilities, quality control, and data management. Smart choice of smart factory, and amazing solution that will change the world. That is BRIQUE EES.